check.
Day what?
Puro itim din.
Day 3, black and white theme.
Day 5 na po.
I've influenced them finally with black and white. This is from Shein, finally.
May Shein na din.
Fort and
Oh,
Pull and
okay,
Bear and Burks.
San yun?
That's here in
I'm
Europe.
Shein. Ewan ko, Zara. Shein.
Shein is life.
Shein is like,
Japan.
yes.
Shein.
Hindi nawawala yung Shein tsaka Temu sa atin.
Oh shit.
It doesn't look like it though.
No, it doesn't. Yung shoes,
Mga face card kasi kami.
they look up.
Not about the brand, it's about the face card.
Yes.
Cancelled. Kinancel agad.
Unsubscribe. Putang yan ito mga to.
Oh yeah, me too. Where are we going today? Pala.
Where are we going? Notre Dame.
Notre Dame and the photo booth.
Notre Dame.
And what else?
Photo booth, that selfie mirror,
Oh yeah, may selfie mirror din pala.
and what park did you want? That one gallery. Should we go in that one?
Yeah, yung katabi nung ano. Nung...
Full fit check, baby. Let's get it. Nathan, update it. Here you go.
안녕하세요. watashi wa namae wa desu.
Oh,
Ha?
we're in French, actually.
Au croissant.
Croissant.
Nous allons la boulangerie en croissant. Te manger en croissant.
Hindi ako kita. Ano ba?
We are eating croissant. To manger en croissant. Et la boulangerie.
Pendejo!
Naging Spain.
Stupid ah.
Where are we, guys?
Cafe Manisda.
Dito na kami sa Notre Dame, pero kakain muna. Bonjour.
Gusto ko ng sausage.
Missy. Uy! Kuha yun. Kuha yun.
Nakakainis. Guys,
Ayun ako,
nakakainis
wala
po
lang
siya.
Lagi na.
Sabi niya, ayaw niya daw ng mga, hindi niya daw type tong mga ito.
Siyempre may mga pogi rin naman na gano'n. Pero kung...
Sabi niya, Asian lang daw siya. Tapos ngayon, gusto niya kunin yung type ko. Ano ba?
Yan na, guys.
Got the same thing with Pearl. They got their desserts already.
I got my crab. And then I
Creme
got my duck.
brulee and crave.
I got my duck.
Yeah, mukha na siyang duck.
Kasi gusto ko duck. Huh?
Donald.
Donald Duck.
Ang cute ng hot chocolate, guys.
Yeah, that looks so good. Oh, wait, is that bigat?
Hindi ko alam. Basta,
Kakainin niya lang.
kakainin lang natin yan. Where are we, y'all?
Notre Dame Cathedral.
Construction nga lang.
Kaya nga, ang pangit.
Pang story ka na.
Go overlapping chatter.
Ang daming pollen, guys. I like this song.
Banyo Queen, baby.
Ako ay sa Makati.
Tangina yun na nasa video.
Alas 7 ng gabi.
Ayun na po siya. For the Instagram po ni Pearl. Na mga next year niya pa
Ito na po yung
ipopost.
nai-hit up. Ha? Galit pa rin sa
Oo nga. Oh my God.
Story time.
Yeah, story time, guys. So,
Story time.
so me and Nathan went to the washroom. Mag-isa si Pearl sa table.
Oo.
May nagtanong po ng Instagram niya. Yung waiter daw na gusto namin ni
Oo,
Nathan.
yung sabi namin pogi, yung
Tang-
kakainin ko
inang
yung
bigat.
sausage niya. Turns out yung sausage niya gusto itong malit na bata na to.
Paano kasi napaka-demure po nung itsura ni Pearl today? Hindi po siya pok-pok today.
Mukhang demonyo. Ha?
Demonyo under this.
Kaya pupunta tayo sa church para
Para i-bless po siya.
para maano na to, mawala na to. Mag-vanish siya, ganun.
Gago.
Susunduin na po siya ni Gago.
Para mag-vanish siya doon kung ano.
Labang kabayan dyan, pa-picture.
Hep, hep!
Kabayan! Hore!
Hep, hep!
Hore! Hep, hep, hore! Ayun, kabayan. Ayun, lolo. Busy sila eh. Buti nga mga basta na.
Ako yung ano, tatlong ano ni Santanas.
Kailangan i-purify.
Hindi po kami makapasok sa cathedral.
Be ready.
Baka po masunog na kami pagpasok.
Hindi yung mga spy.
Uy, hindi. May naka-short skirt nga, oh. Pwede naman siguro. Free naman pumasok, di ba?
Pwede naman, no, pumapasok ko.
Or picture muna dito.
Yung pogi.
Ay, hindi. Yung gano'n natin.
Okay, oh, dito tayo. Ah, dali, ready na. Ready?
Pero.
Ayun.
Ano? Hindi naka-off kasi yung...
Kaya nga yung ito.
Ito yung una.
I-on mo yung...
Ang bilis naman nung una.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun.
Tignan mo guys, look how nice.
Okay,
Okay,
go.
time to purify ourselves. Nandito naman na tayo eh, why not? Para mabilis lang naman yung linya.
Nathan, explain where
Ito na
we're
ho
going.
kami. So, ito ho yung linya.
Punta kami.
Filipino.
Para sa signature ni Jupo.
Wala. Hindi, mag-cleanse talaga ka.
Masusunog po talaga siya eh. Pagpasok niya pa lang po talaga, wala na.
Yes, natin si Lord para sa ano, tall, TDH.
PDH, yes.
Tall, dark, handsome.
Nasa Egypt yung akin.
Tsaka yung may utak.
Hindi, tall ducks. Tall ducks.
May tall na na. May ducks.
Meron.
Really?
Mga hindi tole. Mga hindi tole, ganon.
Alam na, alam.
Concept daw.
Yeah.
Feel ko yung mga hindi tole.
Pupunta talaga tayo ng church, tapos yun yung pinag-uusapan natin, no?
Hindi mo ba na nakita sa
Malaki.
Ay! Okay lang, sabihin ko na lahat ng sasabihin ko kasi makisorry naman ako kay Lord. Sa loob.
We're getting closer. Charis, meron pa pala doon.
Medyo nanginginig na ako. Ah!
Parang,
Ibig sabihin mo talaga si Nathan, kukunin na siya.
parang exciting tong ride na to.
Parang may thrill. Sa Disneyland pa tayo na.
Wow. Yun na yung mga candle. Paano yung look? Huwag kang ganun. Nang-expose. Ala, napagod.
Matulog dito.
Wow, aesthetic. Sana all.
Oh, aesthetic ang ingay na naman niya sa video.
Do you need a bag for that?
Yes, please.
Okay,
No,
that
it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So that one can eat until 3 days, okay?
Okay, thank you. Getting this for JR.
Ay, uy, gano'n sa ubo.
Uy! Yung ano may bulaklak.
Kasama ka na.
Kaya po, late naman niya.
Ito yung block.
Yes! Okay, work. I like. Maganda ba yung lighting dyan?
Hindi ba?
Tsura niya po. Yung lighting kasi, it's this way.
Diyan ulit ako.
Inom.
Patunaw na nga.
Wow, sarap. Ay, Ganun pala ako dumilang isang ano.
Parang,
Okay na yan? Yoko na.
paano yung dila? Paano yung dila? Ay!
Demure lang.
Sarah.
Pero pag yung anong parang jowa mo, ah! Ay, kaya mo yon?
Hindi.
We.
Cup kasi ako na.
Kasi 2 inches lang po kaya ni
Gallery what? Gallery Lafayette?
Lafayette Rooftop.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see a viewpoint for Paris.
Nakline tayo.
Libre ba yun?
Tatalon.
Shit.
Hindi, alam ko libre.
Wala ka ba? Wala siyang alam.
Hindi, kasi nakita ko na din yun.
And it said it was free?
May parang cafe fee. yung skirt ko gumanon talaga.
Habang recorded.
Bata. Pero hindi ata siya na ganun kasi ginanon. Scary dito, guys.
Oh, so windy. Umakit talaga siya, no?
Oo.
Shit.
Buti na may shorts ako.
Ako po wala.
Siya panty agad. Sayang wala si Nathan nag-skirt.
Sabi ko, yes.
Kung nag-skirt ka dun, ay! Ay! Kala ko local kami, ba't ka naiwan? Umuulan dito, guys. Lagi na lang.
Every 5 seconds, it's raining. Buti na lang kami yesterday.
Kabili ng umbrella. Content creator life.
Sexy vibe daw. Tayo na eh.
I think pag may jowa ka, mas mapugustuhan mo rin.
Yeah, City of
Kasi yung gawa
Love
mo
for sure.
nagbabayad.
Or girls trip.
Sugar
Girls
daddy
trip
pala.
is nice here too.
Yeah, girls.
It's really romantic here.
And everyone just takes pictures for the fashion, for the gram.
Magbantay-bantay ka lang sa bag.
Kaya fashion week dito.
Huh?
Fashion week here.
Maybe it's more busy, like more mahal.
Yeah,
Everything.
mahal na nga ngayon.
Take in the last view, guys,
Yep.
of Paris.
Sunset.
I love the sunset!
Woo.
Hindi natin nakita kahapon kasi nasa loob tayo ng mga building eh. But now,
Kumain.
hindi, umulan din kasi, di ba, B?
Oh yeah, it was raining. We were
Eating inside the bar. While we were trying to wait. To get out.
Look how nice the view is, y'all.
very nice.
Hi, people! Tamang dinner lang.
Tamang dinner, nag-nuggets po siya.
Ang galing ng
All
nuggets.
out daw tapos nuggets.
Ang galing.
Wala akong gusto eh. Hindi ko trip.
Gabi na, gusto niya po ng, chocolate croissant.
Chocolate lava cake.
Chocolate sa umaga, chocolate sa gabi.
Kaya bilis sa Canada.
Maganda tong gantong upuan.
Yan.
Hanap ka lang ng coffee ka.
Wala. Kaya pala gusto mo. Kahapon kasi parang nakatalikod kay hindi mo ma-admire.
Tsaka umuulan. Tsaka waiter lang, busog na ako.
Nakakindak ka eh. Nakakuha ko ng kindak.
Pumunta siya ng Paris, naging type niya na yung mga tao.
This only
Oh my
specific,
God.
only specific people.
Mabaliw na po yung kasama na. Huwag na siyang pansinin. Ganyan lang talaga siya. Wala, tingnan mo siya, Bing.
Ay, baka pangit. Na na po siya. Nasasaliban na po.
Kulang sa ano.
Ay! Dick deprived.
Here's our food,
Time
y'all.
to eat.
Time to munch.
Ang laki.
Kaya nga, yung chicken.
Ano naman, mamili ka malaki.
Kasha ba?
What he said. Apple.
Wala akong dipping sauce.
Ano ito?
Damage is damaging.
Ayan, damaged.
Emotional damage. Daming binili ng mga person.
Uy, kayo lang.
Whoop. Well, bibili ka sa airport, diba? Gusto ko pang bumili sa airport, eh.
Yeah.
Ang onti lang naman neto.
That's where we buy everything. Just kidding.
And I bought that tote bag.
Tapos na ako, guys.
What time is it, y'all?
17. Oh my god, we got home earlier.
Earlier, we have to...
Why? What time do we usually go home?
Like 1 a.m.
Wait, kahapon no, 30 tayo.
Then
Yeah,
you're gonna be gone
12:17 na yun.
later.
Wow! 15 minutes early.
You're gonna meet someone later.
Yeah.
To try the baguette of Paris.
Last day na, hindi ko pa ba imimit? Ha? Charis.
That one!
Sit down. What do you open this? Sit down. Okay mo? Ha? Kuwari, fast forward ko ha.
Demure.
Pero ako sa'yo.
Demure shade.
That one!
Uy, hindi maganda yung pag-unboxing ko. Hindi open. Ayan na.
Demure shade. Strap.
Yummy!
Ducks.
What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get?
Ducks.
What did you get?
Wala pa pala.
Which one did you want?
Yeah,
I wanted the soul collection. I showed it na nga. Ano ba?
Okay.
good.
You show it to us. Gosh.
Okay.
What is it? Oh! Oh my god! It's the one you want! It's the one you want!
I manifested. I got it.
Actually, pinano talaga namin ni Gia yan. Happy birthday!
Birthday to you.
I got it.
Okay. But you didn't get that.
Wait, because like that's the reason I got two. The reason I got two is because I wanted two. One was this, one was the soul collection, and then one was the one with umbrella. Which one was it? Ang ingay ah.
Bibigyan ba siya?
I wanted this one, the Journey in the Rain as well, so I got two. Let's see if I'm gonna get them.
I don't
Hopefully it's this one or the secret.
It's this one.
It's
This
this one.
one or the secret.
I don't think you're gonna get it.
Eee!
1 for 1.
Look.
Yeah, will you get 2 for 2?
I will get 2 for 2 because it's my birthday.
Board day?
Birthday? It's my birthday.
Nakakayos naman itong mga kasama ko. Nakakasa naman itong mga kasama ko.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
Birthday twerk.
Wow, ano good.
Birthday twerk.
Ooh,
Birthday
what am I
twerk.
gonna get?
Are you getting
What am I
your
gonna get?
birthday?
Oh my god! That's the one I want.
I didn't get it, but then.
Oh my god, that's
Let's
the one
open
I
the one that you
want.
got.
What time is it? Oh, you're pregnant? Are you pregnant? After the baguette last night? Your gate has changed. It's 10:18. Our flight is 12:55. Sabog. The airport going home.
Last meal. Last supper.
Oh. Kain na tayo, guys.
4:28 na sa
What are your thoughts about Paris?
Not bad actually.
I like it.
I was expecting work.
We did
but
everything though.
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
a lot of walking back.
We did everything except go inside the building.
We did everything
Pictures
free.
outside.
That's the word. We did everything free.
Budget friendly trip.
Yeah.